Good afternoon, my friends. You are on ATSA channel. Today we are going to explore Redmi. You will learn how to set up system sounds on Redmi. It's easier than you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. Tap on Settings. Scroll down, find Sound and tap on it. Next, scroll down. Select Additional Settings. Find System Sounds. If you want to set up system sounds on Redmi, then enable and disable the system sounds you need. System sounds, disable, enable, disable, enable. Good. Thanks for watching. I hope my video was useful for you. Don't forget to watch my other videos and like them. Wish you best. Bye bye.